This of Studio Alapaa.
Mic test? Sir Mike?
Good boy.
Hi everyone! I am Ruby Marie Canafe, the producer of Studio Alapaa.
How do you manage the budget resources during production?
So, ang ginagawa ko po is, una, tinatanong ko muna sa aming project manager, si Tin, kung ano ba yung mga need sa aming production. And then, minsan, sinasabi niya sa akin, ito yung bilhin mo. And then, pinapakita ko sa kanya. And then, pag approve na sa kanya, saka lang, ko lang yung bibilhin. Kasi, yun nga, yung budgeting namin is, nakadepende sa kanya. Siya nung naghahawak ng mga ng pera. Yeah.
I am Harkevie Makasinag,
I am Michaela Macandog.
and we are the makeup artists of Studio Alapaap.
How do you create the look for each one? Do you have inspiration when doing makeup?
In terms of inspiration, actually, as a makeup artist, we don't really rely on inspirations. Rather, we make it something unique and aligned to the characterization of the characters. So basically, like, we provided what really the character really want to show. If a character needs to have no makeup look, then we do that things. And if the characters needed a little bit makeup, then we really do that as well.
What is the most challenging part?
So yun, nahirapan lang talaga kami sa paglalagay ng scar sa mukha ng aktor. And dapat kasi madikit siya and magmukhang realistic. So and every scene dapat same yung itsura niya. So yun.
Hi, I am Amber, the production designer, and I am Erin, the assistant production designer, and we are from the Studio Alapaa.
How do you come up on what characters and pieces do you select?
So, first, how do we come up with the props? We first picture the overall set ng film namin, and since very realistic yung film namin, ginagawa namin as much as possible na realist.
What's the most challenging part of setting up the set or securing the location?
Siguro nung una, medyo nahirapan kami sa paghahanap ng parang perfect na location na parang mag-match sa vibe ng film namin. And pero since realistic siya, 'di ba? Nagawa naman siya ng paraan.
Hi, my name is Aiden. I'm the cinematographer of Studio Alapaap. You can call me Good Boy. Aside from like the framing and the composition, the biggest thing is like the continuity, basically. So the biggest thing for us is to make sure that the story is presented in a logical manner so that the audience can follow the story.
Hello! Iniimbitahan ko po kayong manood ng aming film na Laom soon at Lithala Digital Production. Bye!
Hi mga kalithala! Samahan niyo kaming panoorin ng aming upcoming film na pinamagatang Laom this December sa Lithala Digital Production page.
We would like to invite all of you to watch and support our film, The Laom.
This December at Lithala Digital Production.
Thank you!